This is from Mark. Mark says, I sell in the UK, and now that Brexit has happened, the UK is no longer using the CE mark. You guys would have seen the CE mark, I'm sure, on their on products. It's no longer being utilized or acknowledged and accepted. What should I do? Okay, so the UK has actually, now that they've Brexited, they've dumped the CE mark, which is the global kind of quality mark that they put onto the majority of products. Get this on. They've dumped that, and they're using their own UK CA version of it. So before I tell you what that is, if you've got products in Amazon in the UK and they've still got that CE mark on them, but they were put into Amazon FBA prior to Brexit happening, then you're fine. If they've been put into Amazon after this, after Brexit happened, then you need to take some action, because Amazon's actually changed what's going on, because the UK government has changed what's going on as well. So the UK is using this new UKCA, which is, again, it's just UK conformity assessed. It's just like a global, well, I can't say global anymore. It's a UK based assessment of a product's overall quality. That's the easiest way to think about it. Most products have got the CE rating. They've now got this UKCA thing on it, and so you need to change the markings on your products to reflect that. It's as simple as that. It can no longer get the stamp of CE on it. It now has to get, specifically for the UK, this UKCA thing, which is a bit of a pain, because for me and my business, for instance, I'm selling in the UK and in France and in Germany and in Spain, and I could just have one shipment do all of that. And so what we would do is we'd take that into a main port, typically either in Calais or into Portsmouth, which would ship into, and then from there we'd take the product and take it over to the EU, and it was still fine, and of course into Amazon's FBA warehouses. Or if it went into Calais, we'd take it from Calais to Germany, to Spain, and then over to the UK. Okay, so that's how that worked. But now we can't do that. We've got to actually have it stamped differently and shipped differently, and different paperwork as well, thanks to Brexit, so which is a bit of a pain in the ass. Anyway, so bottom line for this, that's what you need to do. You've got to take it all out, depending of course on when it went in, relabel it, and then you can put it back in to be utterly compliant. Hope that helps. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.